boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, Snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, so I have my phone right here. Let me move that. So y'all, coming at y'all with a little king crab leg mukbang. Y'all know I've been missing. Y'all know I move. What's up, Snackies? Let's snack and then I'm gonna talk. So this gonna be a quick little video, I hope. It's about to get hot, cold real quick, so let me go ahead. All I got is some eggs, 2 eggs, 2 king crab legs. I forgot my scissors, or did I? Let me pull my little tools from underneath my workbench. Okay, I got scissors, y'all. I got scissors, y'all. I'm going to let's start off with it. I was trying to make this be all cute and stuff for y'all. Y'all, I ain't do no thumbnail. Hold on. Let me try to see if I can get me a cute little thumbnail. Like, all right, y'all. Anyways, so I got a beat up egg. 2 of my eggs beat up. I got some lemon. I got this big old what you call it? This claw. Cause we went grocery shopping, y'all. Y'all know I was moving this weekend, right? So that's why I could not post a video. Y'all, this just a little sauce I concocted. Oh, and it got a little spice to it from that Old Bay hot seasoning. I kid y'all not. This is my first time eating today. We got our welcome back cup, y'all, and your girl picked up some I know you lying. We're gonna put him or her right there. There you go. I got some mango and peach bubbly today, so this the mango one, y'all. Y'all forgot my napkin, child. I'm still gonna have to. Did I? Not even see that good, yeah. Let me taste it. Bomb. All right, let's get started on this king crab leg. Yes, sir. I'm gonna eat a little bit, then we're gonna talk, y'all. I'm gonna just eat it because it's in my mouth already. I don't like the toenail. I don't like the toe meat. I don't like it. Pineapples. Is there anything left in here? Woo! So anyways, y'all, the actual meat right on a little bit. whatever. I don't know what. Oh, is that meat? Oh yes, it is. Okay, y'all. Don't be mad. I'm gonna be right back because I left my napkins. Uno momento. I had to grab what was right next to me real quick. Y'all ain't gonna, y'all don't even want to know what kind of napkins I got. Oops. This little mic, I don't know if it, excuse me, it's gonna make it easier for y'all to hear. It's just a little what you call it. So y'all, let me tell y'all now. So y'all know I moved or whatever, clearly, because your girl was missing. So y'all know I ain't moving it. But because I ain't moving, I'm not talking for my mom. Oh, this is good. So yeah. Y'all want a bite? Let me get y'all some. Here I go. So yeah, because I moved this weekend and I'm not responsible for moving big stuff. I am very much so responsible for unpacking. So that's what your girl was doing. Yeah, I was unpacking. But we are all unpacked as of yesterday, which was Monday, but I'm recording this on Tuesday. Y'all gonna see this on Wednesday. So bam. Oh, let me move this. I didn't even eat that with none of my. Let's squeeze some more of this in here. Y'all know this is good if I'm eating the yolk. Yes, sir. What is that? Alright, so woo child, now let's get into this claw. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. No. So y'all, so that's why I was missing. That's why I was in my. This ain't gonna cut it. No, boo. This got to cut out of it, boo. I'm gonna have to go get them other scissors. I just want to talk to y'all about something. I just ate a little bit of fat. Now it tastes good. Alright, y'all. So how y'all feel about like social media and drama? So this is my thing. For me, as a black woman, what I would never ever ever do, and it's just me, I know everybody don't always feel the same, right? But for me, I feel like social media is like, it's so much these days. Like, I had a client, literally 2 of my clients, not even related, like randomly just start having issues with their best friends on social media. And see, y'all know these kids these days, that went on the wrong fight. Y'all know these kids these days, baby, they don't withhold nothing. Nothing. You hear me? Like, they will sell out and everything. On the ground, to your mama, about your grandma, they don't care. So, me, I try to teach them. Don't handle no business on social media. It's a no. It's a no for me. Now, some of them, you know, they be like, you right, Miss Shay, or whatever. Baby, that lemon and that king crab, baby, it hit different. Yes, so it's meat right here. That hit different. So I be like, my whole thing is, how am I going to get this open? Because this is not going to work, I don't think. Oh, stuff out, crap falling out. Hold up, wait a minute. No, sir. Okay, so y'all, it's cracked, but I guess it's not cracked enough. Let me try to cut this little joint part. Yeah. I feel like I can't even focus on my topic. Oh, excuse me. Y'all know, as like a therapist and stuff, you be wanna always teach the kids, you know, be there for them, like in an emotional aspect, you know, as an outlet. Oh, that hurt my skin. But I be also wanting to like make sure that they like going in the right direction. So I be teaching them, don't handle your business on social media. Like, one, I tell them all the time, if you respond to somebody, even if they started it on social media, as soon as you respond, you showing that you bothered. So why even go through that, you know? Especially if you sitting there telling me ain't no pressure. So I be like, I be asking my kids, y'all can't even eat this. Like, was it worth it? So I'm gonna have to get a hammer or something. This, I could try to, oh, that's fat. I could try to like shake some of it out. But yeah. It's been, the school year is finally over. But the drama with these teenagers these days is still popping. Y'all, this just Kerrygold butter, onions, bell peppers, onion powder, Old Bay garlic herb seasoning, and Old Bay hot seasoning. I'm so mad I can't get into this cloth. I'm gonna try this one. Nah, sis, you about to hurt yourself. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. I just wanted to come before y'all real quick because I know I've been missing. Y'all let me know if y'all like my intro, because I do have a new little intro. And how y'all feel about social media? Like, me, I ain't gonna show out. I ain't showing out ever. Ever. As a woman, especially a black woman, nah, sis. I can't do it on social media. Not me. And that's what I'm trying to teach my kids that I work with. Like, but y'all let me know down in the comments how y'all feel. Put it down in the comments. I love y'all. I'm gonna try to crack this open off camera. It's a hot mess. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.